Hi there, Hasharadidi again here from the Daily Driving Channel, your one-stop destination for all things automotive. We do driving impressions, DIY car maintenance, and feature car culture events and races. Join us as we hit the open road and show you your day-to-day passion for all things on the four wheels. Well, except for today, we are going to do a first driving impression on a three-wheeled vehicle. So, let's go! Right now, I'm driving the 2022 Polaris Slingshot R with a 5-speed manual transmission. Not a lot of them in your neck of woods yet, but it's been with us since 2014. And it's probably one of the reasons it's head-turning. Its unique three-wheel design will make you constantly guessing. Is it a motorcycle or a car? Well, it depends where you are or where you live. Some states you can register the Slingshot as a motorcycle, and some as an autocycle. Ashradidi, what the fuck is an autocycle? Glad you asked. Basically, it is defined as a three-wheeled motorcycle that has a steering wheel and seating that does not require the operator to straddle or sit astride, or in short, it's a half car, half motorcycle vehicle. Here in Pennsylvania, you just need a regular driver's license, that's the Class C one. And you don't need a motorcycle license to operate the Slingshot. With that confusion out of the way, let's delve more on what the vehicle is offering and capable of. The Polaris Slingshot stands out from the crowd with its unconventional design. With its aggressive front end, bold body lines, and unique styling, the Slingshot R is a head turner wherever it goes. It's more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of individuality. This three-wheeled machine attracts attention like a magnet, and the manual transmission adds an extra layer of intrigue for automotive enthusiasts. The Slingshot R's low-slung stance, wide tires, and sport-tuned suspension make it a blast to carve through twisty roads, and it grips the pavement like it's on rails and delivers a visceral experience that will leave you grinding from ear to ear. And then right off the bat, this trim, the Slingshot R, is powered by a 2-liter inline-4 engine with a maximum power output of 203 horses at about 8,250 RPMs and about 144 foot-pound of torque at 6,500 RPMs. You might think that's nothing in today's standards, but this autocycle only weighs about 1,651 pounds to be exact. And of course, your guess is right. The power to weight ratio is nothing to laugh at. It's at 8.1 pound per HP. With that said, from a complete stop, it can go 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. That's fast. For purists who love the feeling of being in full control, this Polaris Slingshot R comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. The same Aisin AR5 transmission from the Toyota Hilux and the Toyota Land Cruiser. Shifting gears manually in this open-air roadster is an experience in itself. The shifter has a satisfying mechanical feel, and the clutch engagement is precise. One of the most appealing aspects of the Polaris Slingshot R is the open-air driving experience. Unlike traditional cars, the Slingshot R doesn't have a roof or doors, which means you're exposed to the elements. This sensation of freedom, combined with the manual transmission, creates an unparalleled connection to the road and your surroundings. I have only 3 complaints about this vehicle. Just small things that can be probably overlooked, but I'm going to say it anyway. One is the clutch pedal. It's so freaking shiny that my foot slips a lot of times when I clutch in and out. That's why I just have to be closer to the dash to prevent that from happening. Second, the third gear is so notchy that you have to check it in more carefully than usual. But otherwise, it's so mechanical and very smooth to shift. Lastly, this Slingshot drinks premium gas. Well, it has high compression ratio, so I guess I can't complain about that. But otherwise, this vehicle is so much fun to drive, I tell you. And did I mention it's a rear-wheel drive? I wonder if we could drift it. I'm actually scared to try it. The Slingshot R 2023 model starts at about almost 34 grand. If you're looking for a toy without a roof, then this is your car or motorcycle. I said a toy because it has little to no practical applications. You can daily drive it during summer times, maybe a grocery getter, I don't think so. But you can get a lot of attention though, that's for sure. And definitely a ton of fun for spirited driving. Now, is it worth your 34 grand? Or just buy a Miata or GR86 with the same or lower price point and be done with it? Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And don't forget to smash that free like and sub button if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.